How to disable blood in Hitman Blood Money Reprisal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In Hitman Blood Money Reprisal, you can easily disable the blood effect in the game. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the Hitman Blood Money Reprisal game on your device, and once you're inside this menu, go ahead and tap on the Options tab from the left. Now click on Graphics. Inside Graphics, look for this Show Blood option and toggle off the switch right next to Show Blood. Now once you have disabled this blood effect, the changes should take effect immediately. Now you can get back and your progress will be saved. You can now go ahead and start the game or continue with the game, and that's it. Now you're all set. Disabling blood is not just a visual change. In Blood Money, guards and civilians can detect blood trails and follow them to bodies. So with blood disabled, this mechanic is removed. And there you go. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.